Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 bird cages in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying bird cages. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. VIVOHOME, 59.8-inch wrought iron bird cage. Built with 2 doors, a slide-out tray, and a play area on top. A storage shelf, 4 perches and feeding cups, and a swing are included. Easy to put together. Strong base and bars. Tall and roomy and saves space. This dual-doored cage will help provide your small or medium-sized birds with a high-quality life full of space and entertainment. Some received the product with the doors or walls misaligned. At number 2. Prevue Hendryx Flight Cage. Includes 2 half-wood perches, 2 food cups, a grate, and tray. Sturdy and solid build. Easy to put together. More affordable. Reviewers loved the shape and high-quality materials used. This dome-shaped, hanging bird cage has a classic build that customers love and is a great home for a small bird. Smaller than other cages. At number 1. VIVAHOME, 53-inch wrought iron large bird cage. Very solid, strong, and secure. Made with water and rust-resistant material. Easy to clean, removable bottom. Durable, secure latches. Simple assembly. Roomy enough to hang plenty of toys in. Wheels on bottom to easily move around. This large and sturdy cage is easy to assemble, moves smoothly, keeps your birds safe, and provides them with room to play and fly. Smaller birds can squeeze through the wide bars. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.